Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to monetize websites and blogs. However, there are many misconceptions about affiliate marketing that can lead to confusion and frustration. Here we look at the most common misconceptions about affiliate marketing and dispel the myths. First, many people believe that affiliate marketing is an easy way to make money. While it can be a great way to earn passive income, it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to succeed. You need to be willing to put in the time and effort to research and promote products. You also need to have a good understanding of your target market and how to reach them. Second, many people think that affiliate marketing is a get-rich scheme. This is simply not true. It can take months or even years to build a successful affiliate marketing business. You need to be patient and consistent in order to see results. But if you do show that patience, it will pay back tenfold. Third, many people think that affiliate marketing is only for those with a big following. While it helps to have a large following, there are many successful affiliate marketers with small followings. You don't need a huge following to make money with affiliate marketing. Fourth, many people believe that you need to be a technical expert to be successful in affiliate marketing. While it helps to have technical knowledge, you don't need to be an expert in order to be successful. There are many tools and resources available to help to get started and to be successful. Finally, many people think that they have to spend money to get started in affiliate marketing. While some upfront investments may be required, you don't need to spend a lot of money to get started. In fact, many successful marketers start out with very little money and are able to make a substantial amount. These are just a few of common misconceptions about affiliate marketing. By dispelling these myths, you can better understand the process and make the most of your affiliate marketing efforts. With the right strategy, dedication, and hard work, you can be successful in affiliate marketing. In my description, I have linked a 15-day challenge where you can build your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. You will learn skills that you need to market your business the right way. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more. Oh, and lastly, disclaimer, there is affiliate links below, no cost to you. If you were to purchase through my link, I will receive a commission. I look forward to speaking with you in another video. Bye for now.